Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to permanently delete the booking.com app and your account. First, open the booking.com app or visit the booking.com website. Now log into your account and tap on the profile icon at the bottom right. Now scroll down and find this option called Privacy or Security Settings. And here tap on Delete Account. So booking.com may ask you to confirm your identity or give a reason like this. Give the reason and confirm the action and your account will be permanently deleted. And after the deletion of your account, go to your phone's home screen, press and hold the booking.com app icon and tap on uninstall and confirm it by tapping OK. The booking.com app will be completely removed from your device. Please remember, once your account is deleted, all your bookings, rewards, and saved data will be permanently removed and cannot be recovered. And that's how you can permanently delete the booking.com app and account. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy app tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.